Morning. Today I'm going to show you some solutions on how students can easily type on a PDF or an image type document, and that's through Dochub. So typically I would actually remake this in a Google Doc because I find that it's easier for students just to type on their own document and push that out through Google Classroom or whatever learning management system I'm using. But if, for instance, you're not using something like that and you need a solution, I would easily save this to my desktop. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm just going to switch this to desktop. And then once you sign into Dochub, so I usually sign in with my email address. Dochub has some pretty awesome solutions. So if I'm just going to hit new document, and it lets me upload the document from any of the different places. I just saved it to my desktop. So I can click on upload from here, but I also know that I can drag and drop it since I'm using Chrome. And now I have these options that I can easily start editing the document. So right now I'm currently on the pointer, so I can like click around on the document if I need to. But the A button lets you just type on the document. So let's just say that I'm just guessing on this. Let's say I needed to type the word bird, for example. So I have some options to make the text larger if I wanted to. I can change it to a different color if I needed to. So, and this one allows me to move it and trash it. There's other features. If this is like a reading sample and I needed to underline certain words or circle certain words, I'd be able to do that right within this document. They have a built-in highlighting feature where you can just draw a square over top of something, which is nice. You can add comments. It's not as easy as a Google comment document, so I usually don't use that tool as much. And then there is whiteout. So the whiteout feature lets you just kind of like white over top of something, so it draws like a white box, which is handy. They can upload images if need be. And then I've used this to turn in documents that I need to have my signature on it. So I can create a signature and I can upload my signature or just draw it from right here on my trackpad. And then once it saves automatically, I can grab that signature and pop it up anywhere I need to. So that makes it really easy to digitally sign those documents. So you have about 2,000 documents that you can have in your Dochub world. So I'm going to click on the D so that you can see, like I can have tons of documents here, and I'll be able to see like when I modified it and if I sent it to someone. Then over here on the right, I can have the students or the teachers email the document back to me, but usually that totally crowds my email. So it's totally up to you how you decide to do it. There's other actions. So you can have them send it, you can have them download it. And then the other feature that I like when I'm creating worksheets for students is being able to just append and merge files. So if I needed to add another file to this, I could easily do that right within here. I can also rotate it if for some reason it didn't scan in correctly into my computer. So you have a lot of nice features just built right within. So when I hit the download button, I can download it to my computer. I can have it go right to Google Classroom, which I love. I can have it go to Google Drive and put it in a shared folder. So you have lots of options right here if you're doing some distance learning.